What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. It's underscore Kisaka. It's my YouTube channel name. So pleased to have you back on this channel. If this is your first time on this channel, kindly do me a favor by subscribing to this channel, liking this video and other videos, and also share this video out. Also, remember to leave your sweet comment below this video. In today's video, guys, we look at a special occurrence, a unique occurrence that happened a few days in Jamaica. There was fire in Kingston, Jamaica. There was two instances of fire, but in one of the arcades in downtown Jamaica, fire raised at the stalls, but something unusual happened. Stick around as I show you.
Out everything about a living fire of the Bible alone that gets not even a page. Not even a page of the Bible and a living fire right there. Can't tell me say the kingdom powerful you. The Bible even catch.
People at the Panel Charles Arcade were left tongue-tied after the Bible was recovered and scratched after the fire raised the stalls and caused a lot of damage.
Watch out. Watch out. And the Bible not like fire, watch out. Not even burn it, not burn you. Not even burn. Not even fire, not touch it, charge it.
This is the fire that raised Panel Arcade. You can see some people are trying to salvage their goods as the firefighters being helped by that guy without a topless. This shows the Jamaican spirit. One thing that you can see is the firefighters are working hard, although they appear to be slack. Unanswered questions linger in the air because the same day that the fire caught Panel Charles Arcade in Kingston, also it caught Azan Super Center warehouse. You can see people are just looking from outside, a lot of smoke billowing from there. It's a big warehouse. You can see outside people are wondering what's happening. It's just the same day, which raised a lot of questions concerning such an incident. So sad.
There are 3 units and about 46 firefighters from the Jamaica Fire Brigade responded to the blaze. More than 90 shops were destroyed and over 50 vendors affected.
Most of the firefighters do them job. Come love that. They must go in the building and save the thing them. And try out the fire and try to make sure the place out good. That's the firefighter do them job, I'm like it. They want to job most, they want to job, they want to do the job, they want to do, This is the job where they do. I'm a sick people things and sick people now. So right now, I have to give thanks to the firefighter them. Right, at this moment, because they make the fire and keep calm. You see me? Give thanks to the firefighter, respect.
If you should rate the performance of the firefighter from 1 to 10, what's the rating you would give them?
1 to 10? I'll give them a 9 out of 10. I give them 9 out of 10.
So yes, guys, these are some of the videos that I've compiled, and I'm so grateful that you have viewed the videos up to this time. So the fire raised to different places, both in Kingston, Jamaica. That is the Panel Charles Arcade in downtown Jamaica. That is Church Street in downtown Kingston, Jamaica. And also there's another fire that raised the Azan Super Center warehouse. These were 2 incidences, different incidences in the same day. I was looking at some of the comments in the Jamaican Observer and some of these media stations in Jamaica, and people were raising questions. They were saying the timing of these fires, why are they happening around the festivities? You know, we are in December, and in December, most of the people tend to it's a season of celebration, Christmas, New Year, and many other celebrations that do happen in Christmas, both in Jamaica and also here in Africa. This is a time where people come together, spend time. So there are some people who are asking the timing of these fires. Also, you know, Jamaica is gearing up for an election that is just around the corner to take place. So people are asking, are asking even until now, why did the incident happen the same day? I'm so happy from the videos you can see the Jamaican spirit has come out clearly. The way the guys are coming up and assisting the firefighters, but the firefighters seem to be slacking in their firefighting. And some of the comments were saying that they appreciate what they are doing, but their slackness, they coming to fight the fire, and yet the pipes are rolled up instead of doing that at the fire station before coming there. So this was some of the timing and the slackness. That was one of the major complaints that I realized from the comments. So in the panel arcade, it was sad that around 50 vendors lost most of their goods were destroyed, and 50 or so, 46 to 50 firefighters responded from the Jamaican Fire Brigade. They were talking of not they were talking of. I tried to look at some of the media stations and the news articles. I discovered that they are planning to improve on what they are doing by acquiring new fire units, or rather fire trucks, to help them so that in case this fire occurrence occur, they can respond to as fast as possible. So also, they are planning to employ more firefighters and also expand and open up. One thing I noticed that most of these fire stations are not located near the houses. Majority of them were meant, the original aim of these fire stations were to contain or protect the commercial interests, these companies, etc. So most of them are not near residential areas. So they are planning to expand, to construct more fire stations, and also acquire more fire units. In the year 2021, one of the leaders of the Jamaican Fire Brigade spoke about that they had acquired 30 firefighting trucks. And also they are getting on some technological advancement so that they can deal with fires. Also, they inform the public. All in all, the firefighters need to 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 hasten when they are called. They should respond faster and while well prepared, not reaching at the place of incidents and then trying to like rolling up the pipes, etc. They should come when they are well prepared, and they should be prompt in response. Also, there's one complaint that I saw in one of the news article. It was saying that at times, you know, these firefighting trucks are very huge. There are some road users in Jamaica who don't allow the fire trucks to. They don't allow way for the fire trucks to pass, because you know they are big, and when you get to see a fire truck or even an ambulance, you have to give way for them to pass. So there are some indisciplined few Jamaicans who block the road instead, or rather stay on the road instead of giving them way. These are just some of the complaints, and it's so sad this thing is happening at such a time. But let's get back to the first clip. In the first clip, you can see the guy, the Bible was in one of the stalls, which was burned or raised very badly, and it has come out. The Bible has come out unscathed. So this is one of the news that, or rather, and not only this, when such kind of incidents happen, and then you get something unique like that, this is a miracle. A miracle. It's not a normal occurrence, because at times a building can go down, and you find a lot of people losing their lives, and then you get maybe a child who just come out alive like that, without even a single scratch. This is a miracle. It tells you that God is alive and God is working. You should not take this thing lightly, because if all those things were banned, all the vendors have lost all their majority of their properties, and then out of nowhere the guy comes up with a Bible that is unscratched, that is not even affected with the heat. So yes guys, this has been the video for today. And if you're not subscribed to this channel, do me a favor by subscribing, liking this video, and comment. Cheers guys, happy festivities, happy holidays, and happy new year in advance.